Hello there.
What's going on, guys? Leland here, bringing you another live TA. If you guys would like to see a TA of your choice, whether you're in Ripple or if you're in Stellar or whatever coin, if you want me to do a technical analysis on it, it is a $10 minimum contribution. You could do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker down below. I also have my 1UP coin link that is in my description if you want to donate in crypto. I would much rather prefer to have crypto than that dirty fiat. Wouldn't you agree? So, welcome to the show, guys. How you doing? It's been a couple of days. I've been really busy, but I was able to fit in a live stream tonight. I'm really excited. We haven't looked at the markets in a while, and we're seeing a lot of good things. I'm seeing a lot of good news, especially, and let me just show you real quick. If we go over to the 4-hour on Bitcoin, you can see we finally got back above that 21 EMA. That's that green line right here. 21 EMA was being used as resistance throughout here consistently. Resistance as we go all the way down. We took that first plunge on Bitcoin going all the way down to $30,000. That was the first bottom. Bitcoin tried, it had a dead cat bounce and well, almost, right? Because we came back down and we made a higher low right there. So it doesn't look like sellers are going to, or buyers are not going to let the price go any lower than $30,000 for the meantime. So what I'm seeing is a bit of reversal here. You can obviously see that we have broken a trend. We've gotten back above this trend. We even came back and got the retest right here. So boom, 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 boom. We got back above it and we retested it. And now we're starting to form somewhat of an uptrend right now. We are starting to form this, I'm not really quite sure what pattern this is going to be. This is probably just, part of a bigger pattern that's going to be unfolding here within the next couple of weeks that we're going to be seeing. What is that going to look like? Nobody has any idea. But what I'm looking at right here, especially on the 4 hour, is looking good. We broke a trend. We broke that resistance. We're going back to the upside and we're holding the 21 EMA. If we go ahead and we go over to the daily over here, you can see we're about to get a bullish cross on the daily. That's pretty good news. I think Bitcoin has bottomed out for now. It is very possible for Bitcoin to be going back up. We take a cross right here. Okay. MACD is already finished up on the red on the histogram. We take a cross right down here between the 12 and 26 day moving averages, and we start to see that price action move a lot higher. What prices do we think we're going to be going up and seeing? I think that we're going to be going up and seeing about that $45,000 level on Bitcoin if we continue to go up. And I think that momentum is very clear in showing where we're going to be going on our stochastic RSI over here. You can see we had our cross down here and our momentum started moving back up. This is really good. On the daily, we still haven't closed out this candle. We still have about 2 more hours, but what I would like to see Bitcoin do is try to get back above that $40,000 area before we close this candle on the daily. Currently sitting at about 39,000. I think that's, we're doing pretty good on the day. We're up about just under 2%. Not looking too bad right now, as our 12 or our RSI down here did go below the 30, and we're starting to get that resumption back off. No big deal. The one thing that I wanted to look at though was on the weekly, and I haven't seen this yet, guys. I honestly have not been looking at charts because I've been so busy, and I'm just going over the charts right now, right? I don't do prep work. I don't look at this stuff ahead of time. I literally just hit go live and let's do it. I can do these things on the spot for you guys. So one thing that I wanted to be looking at was this level on the RSI. We're on the weekly, by the way, looking at Bitcoin, and you can see that we did drop below this level. And, it's a little concerning, but I do want to see Bitcoin try to fight its way back above this level. You can see back in 2017, where this was the entire bull run right back here. So we got above this 53 on the RSI, and you can see multiple times we've come down and we've touched it for support. That's really good. We've came back up and boom, we became overbought, and then boom, right back overbought. So it's interesting to me that the markets are not the same. They're completely not the same. We have these huge institutional buyers. We have a lot more retailers who are in the game now than... Hey, RP & Co. Welcome back, dude. Good to see you. Thanks for the 12, dude. Thank you so much. RP & Co. says, new cipher, please. Leelander. I know. You're not bullish above 55 cents. Okay. Yeah, dude. Absolutely. Thank you, RP. Good to see you in here, man. Thank you for that 12. I really appreciate that. Yeah, let's go look at new cipher. It's been a minute since I've looked at that. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin and take a look at Ethereum, and then we're going to go check it out, buddy, for sure. I won't make this too long. I will be curious to see, what's going to be unfolding with the RSI for Bitcoin as, we approach this area. I think once we can get back up to that 45, maybe that $50,000 area, can we break back through that resistance and get back above it? I think we can, to be quite honest. But, for the meantime, for the short term right now, I am expecting a rejection around that $45,000 Bitcoin. And that's going to be, like I said, within this blue line right about here. You can see that's going to be the resistance over here. That was previously support and resistance. We were holding it back here. So, but like I said, this is going to be a part of a much bigger pattern, that we're going to be getting, whether that be in asymmetrical triangle or that be an ascending wedge or whatever it's going to be. It's going to take some time, guys. And we talked about this, after we had the big dump, I was like, guys, all we're going to do right now is we're going to consolidate for a while. It's going to be like that for a minute before we can even try to see any higher highs. So my prediction is I think that we're going to be going up and hitting 45 and then possibly getting rejected. Now, that rejection is going to be really important, as that's going to be determining where we're going to be going on our Fibonacci, which I'll go ahead and I'll draw for you right now. We need to stay above certain levels. And if we don't, then we're definitely going to be dropping down a bit further, which I know a lot of you are probably not expecting, but it's true. It's not necessarily a bad thing, but it's just short term, a little bearishness right now. Ken K, what's up, dude? How you doing? Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Hello, great work, Leland. Thank you. I appreciate you. So I am going to want to see Bitcoin try to stay above, at the very least, right? Stay above that 236 right here. Stay above that. You know, it took quite some time for us to get back into that recovery. You can see we failed right here, and we failed back here again. And finally, we got back above it, and boom, right there. That's support on the 236. So you can clearly see that $41,295 level is going to be resistance on our Fibonacci. That is the 382. So I do expect maybe we come back down, you know, and we touch the $37,000 before we get a resumption off, have another go at trying to break that $41,000. And that's where I think we're going to be starting to run into that $45,000, $44,000 area. That's going to be right here at the 0.5. The 0.5 is not so easily broken. It's a pretty hard resistance, guys, especially when we're starting to recover and retrace back upwards. 50% retracement is pretty good. A lot of investors will probably see this, and I'm not saying everybody, but some people will be seeing the the drop, and they're going to want to get out, right? They're going to want to get out. So you're going to see a lot of selling happening within this area. Mark my words, you'll see that happening. Why do I know this? Because that's what I would do. That's what traders would do. That's what day traders would do when they see these indicators and we start hitting these certain levels. Just being completely honest with you. But the real test, okay, and here's another scenario. Let's say Bitcoin does get above $45,000 and we confirm that as support. Now we're talking. Now we're going to be looking really good. Maybe the consolidation to the side isn't going to be happening, as we will probably just have these small retraces as we go up, make a higher high, come down, higher low, go up, higher high, higher low, higher low. You don't see what I'm saying? So, but the real test, like I said, it's going to be at that $48,000 level. 48 is going to be the 618, and you guys clearly know that. But right now, you know, I'm feeling really good about Bitcoin in the short term. Like I said, we're about to get that cross down there. We're sitting below the or not below the 20, but we visited the 30 on the RSI. So getting that bounce right back up isn't going to be too hard for us whatsoever. So Bitcoin not looking too bad. We have our support levels. We have our resistances of where we're going to be going. We still need more data. We need more data. You know, it's hard for me to try to make videos every single day, try to make these live streams every single day, because there's just not enough data. We've taken a tumble. We know that. We fell 55% from 65 all the way back down to $30,000. And now it's going to take a while, guys. We probably have another 6 to 7 weeks of consolidation before we have any sort of breakout that's going to be going to new all-time highs. It's going to take some time. Am I worried about it? No. Are people saying that we're in a bear market? Yes. Do I think we're in a bear market? Not even close. Okay. This is what people want you to do. They want you to be scared. They want your coin, especially those investors who have all that money, those big whales over there, those greedy bastards. They want your coins. They're gonna try to take your coins by dropping the market like this, by manipulating the markets and going, oh, Bitcoin's gonna be going down. The top is in and we're done. Not even close. These investors are trying to catch on to the train that left a long time ago, and they're running behind the train, right? They're still running behind the train, and they derailed it for a short time. Wait until those workers come back in. They put that train right back on that rail. But in the meantime, as it's derailed, all those other investors had already jumped on to the back of the caboose, right? They just got on, which is what we're clearly seeing right here. We took a bounce from 30,000 all the way up to 40 something thousand, almost 42,000. So don't be tricked, guys. Don't be swindled. Don't think that it's over, because it's clearly not. Ethereum looking freaking-tastic right now. You can see I have my really, really large Fibonacci retracement. For a second, I thought this was Bitcoin on a larger scale. Okay. So you can clearly look, check this out, guys. We came back down and we retested that golden mean ratio. We never did that before, which was kind of concerning for me when we broke out of that $18,000 area. But look, we came back up. We came right back down that retracement to the golden mean ratio. That's so beautiful. That was such a hard resistance for us to get through in the past over here. I don't know if you guys remember, but that was a hard resistance for us to get through. And then finally we broke above it, coming back for a retest right there. And I think Ethereum has seen probably the best recovery other than Bitcoin. That's a 62% recovery from the bottom. So looking good. You can currently see right now on the daily, we are running into the 21 EMA. I expect that is going to be resistance for us, as we do have a little bit of a consolidation to the side and try to attempt to break above that. It's going to take some time. It's going to be a little bit before we can see that. Same thing over here on the MACD and our stochastics. You can see the histogram is starting to round out over here as we are about to take a bullish cross. And price action is going to be happening first. You guys know that price action is king, and indicators are lagging. So, and you can clearly see, look at our stochastic RSI was below the 20 at one point over here, taking a cross, and now we're starting to move that momentum up. It's a very good sign to see that the histogram is finishing up. You're about to get that cross between the 12 and 26 day moving average, and we have that negative moment, or that momentum that is going to start moving to the upside as we came down and tried to visit that 30 on the RSI. That's really bullish, guys. These were the times down here to be buying, right down here. And if you guys are a part of the Telegram group, I was telling everybody, you know, the day that happened, buy. You're probably not going to get this opportunity ever again. And wouldn't you know it, we're up 62% from where we were. So looking fantastic on Ethereum. I'm not even worried, guys. You know, if we take we zoom out on the charts over here, are you worried? Are you worried about looking at this? Let's get rid of the fib. Check it out. What's to worry about? What's to worry about? Look at this beautiful bounce we're getting off the 21 EMA on the weekly, okay? On the weekly. That's huge, guys. That's massive. That's a really good sign. Look at that. We hadn't come back down and touched the 21 EMA in so long. We'd been extended away from it for quite some time. Now is the time that we can take off. We can go make higher highs. We have EIP 1559 comes out in July. It's going to be massive. It's going to make it a scarce asset. We're going to be adding that burn feature to the blockchain. And I really don't know. If you didn't buy on this bounce, I don't know what you're doing. I really don't. But beautiful bounce, looking absolutely good. Let me go back to Bitcoin real quick, and then we're going to move on over to New Cypher as requested. AC Dude, you should be a radio DJ. You got the voice for it, dude. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Let's see. We got Captain Friendly. Nice haircut. Thanks, man. Actually, my hair. So when I first started doing these live streams, I went to go get a haircut, right? Because I wanted to, look nice on camera. I wanted to look sexy for you. No big deal. But, the lady completely jacked up my hair, completely jacked it up. And I was like, I don't know, like, there's no way I can make this look good. So I told her, I was like, just shave it off. So that's why I went out and I bought a ton of hats, because I was completely bald. But weeks later, now I have a little bit of hair to where I can, actually do something. So thanks for noticing my hair. B Pro brother. Yeah, dude, I'm still in B Pro. I'm holding on strong for sure. AC, buy when others are scared. Abso-freaking-lutely. Did you guys see the fear and greed index? It was at like 21 on Bitcoin, probably lower. We got Jason. Love the train train analogy. Oh yeah, dude, for sure. Me too. It's perfect. I mean, that's exactly what has happened here. I don't know how to say it in any other way. Oh, that's cool. So, all right. I wanted to show you one more thing with Bitcoin, and then we're going to move on over to New Cypher. And if you guys would like to see a cryptocurrency, it's a $10 minimum donation. Doesn't even cost that much. If you don't have any cash, hey, that's okay. You can send it in crypto. I have all my Coinbase links down below. You're going to be seeing, and my buddy is calling me right now. I don't think he knows I'm live right now. You can do it through the OneUp link down below, OneUp coin link. And you can donate in crypto. If you want to do it from Coinbase, you go in there and you say, I want to give this guy some Bitcoin or some Ethereum, $10 of Ethereum or $10 in crypto. It'll give you my address. You head on over to your exchange, you plug it in, you send it, and it's going to pop on the screen. It's going to pop up right in the middle right here, and it's going to say whatever message you want. So we're going to go check out New Cypher, but check this out. Look at this. Okay. Where was it? Was it on the daily? I wanted to show you what was on, I think it was on the weekly. Yes, it was on the weekly. Okay, check this out. Check out this hidden bullish divergence on the weekly. Okay, don't take that lightly. We have hidden bullish divergence on the weekly after this drop that we're going to be having here. And we're so close. We're so close to be finishing this up that the next move for Bitcoin, I 100% believe we're going to 75,000, 85,000, 90,000, and eventually going up and hitting that $100,000 mark. Yes, I can say this. Why do you say that, Leland? Look at this hidden bullish divergence right here. Okay, so we have a small island, small red island. It doesn't matter how big it is. When you go into the red on the histogram on your MACD, which is your price action down here, was sitting at about $10,000 at that time right here on the histogram, and you have price action moving up as negative momentum is going down. That is hidden bullish divergence. It's a leading indicator letting us know there's going to be a move to the upside. And guys, we had just started it. Okay, look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. We're below the 20 on the stochastic RSI, showing that hidden bullish divergence. Price action's moving up, and we're sitting right now on the 47 on the RSI. Why wouldn't you take a position right now, whether it's in Bitcoin or, what other altcoin you want to take a look at? That is so bullish to me in my eyes that when I hear people starting to talk about, oh, we're in a bear market now, and I'm like, you guys are kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. We go through our first real pullback and everyone starts assuming that we're in a bear market. Come on, guys. Look at this. Look how many pullbacks we had back in 2017. This is normal. This is completely all a part of the plan, and there's nothing to worry about. Okay, anyways, let's move on. Okay, fear and greed index was 10 3 days ago. Yeah, oh, see, I saw it at 21, but yeah, I can believe it was 10 for sure. That's insane. Actually, it's not insane, but that's when you should be buying. Okay, we have RP & Co that wants to take a look at New Cipher. This is on a weekly chart right now. Yikes, look at all these lines over here. They're still valid though. Very, very, very valid. Okay. That's on a weekly chart. Let's go back to a daily and let's see what's going on over here. Okay, so New Cipher, right? We were on a daily chart over with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you saw that they got above the 21 EMA. Actually, I'm sorry, that was on the 4 hour. So let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, so currently, finally, New Cipher got above the 21 EMA. You can see it was clearly resistance all throughout here. We had a bit of a fake out there, bit of a fake out right there. And we got above it right here, coming back for that retest, and we are getting resumption off. Okay, what do I see? I was bearish on New Cipher for a while, but I want to see, can we lead up, going up into that 55-cent area? Maybe, that's a pretty big candle, pretty big wick that we had on a 4 hour candle. Let's see, how big is this? That's a lot, pretty good size of volume right there. Okay, that's a 22% candle. That's no joke. What's happening? What's going on with that right now? Let me see if I can see any kind of patterns, Japanese candlestick patterns. Nothing that I'm really seeing that catches my eye right now, other than we're getting denied at that 21 EMA on the daily. We would need to get above that area. We're looking at about 36 cents and turning it into support for me to start feeling a little bit better about New Cipher. You guys already know this. I've been, pretty bearish on New Cipher for a while, but what's going on? What's happening right now? Okay, so, that's not too bad. So we do have some divergence here. So price action's moving down, and a negative momentum is starting to move up. So that's showing me that we're starting to slow down with the dips here. We're going to be starting to move back up. Our size below the 45, just about at the 45 right now. And the stochastic RSI was below the 20. We took across and the momentum is starting to move. That's why you're starting to see, price action is king. That's going to be moving first, but now our indicators are letting us know what's happening over here. Okay, looking good. So not too bad. We're about to take a bullish cross, just like a lot of things right now. You guys know crypto kind of runs in the same direction. About to get a cross between the 12 and 26 day moving average. What kind of price action can we see within New Cipher? Well, being that the price action is already happening right now, and we have such a huge candle that is in play, so I'm gonna want to see a few things before we can start, talking about New Cipher and becoming a little bit more bullish about New Cipher. I want to get, I want to switch the trend. Okay, we need to move away from creating these bottoms and having lower lows. I think if New Cipher can get back above over to about the 46 cent area, which is going to be about right there, I think I'm going to start feeling a little bit better about it. And and there's actually going to be a range. Okay, we can actually get rid of this. This is not valid anymore. This is not valid anymore. This 50. Hey, what's up, Jace? Welcome back, dude. Good to see you in here. Thank you for the 10. Really appreciate that. You went let's see, TA Zill. Yeah, I got you, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. So looking at Zill, awesome. So there's actually a range within New Cipher that I want to see us kind of get above and stay above. Use it as support. It's going to be right here. Okay, these two blue lines right here, that's going to be the 47 cent and 49 cent New Cipher. The reason why I say that is because we need to come up and make a newer high and take out these previous our lows that we had before. I think if New Cipher can get above this line right here, then we'll start looking good. So that would be the short-term kind of goal for New Cipher to be looking good for me. You can clearly see we ran into this resistance right here. This is previously support right there. And then it was support right here as well. We came back down, came back came back up for the retest, and we're retesting it again right now. So 3 levels that you're going to want to look at for New Cipher in order for us to start feeling really good. Like I said, the chart, the daily chart for the MACD, stochastic RSI, and the RSI are looking good. There's definitely that potential in that room. It was the bottom right here, very much. I think so. I think that was the bottom for now. I still think there's that possibility that Bitcoin could probably go down to $22,000, $24,000. I know some of you are like, what, dude? Are you kidding me? We're going to go down even lower? Yeah, it's still possible, but I'm still super bullish on it. I know it's crazy. But there's really nothing to worry about it going down that low. Buy more if and when or if it happens. But let's look at the data right now. Let's see what we got. So let's just play around and say, this is the bottom, okay? This is the bottom right here. I think we're going to be catching it. We need to get above 37 cents. Turn that into support. Not only will that be turning into support, the 21 EMA on the daily will be support as well. It's been a hot minute since we've been above that 21 EMA and it turned it into support. The last time we were over there was here. Right there was the last time we were above it. Well, you can see we were slightly above it right there, but I was expecting for us to come up and hit that 55 cent and then get rejected. That's why I was bearish about it. So we were above it temporarily right now, and then huge red candle down to the candle to the downside. So like I said, short term right now for New Cipher, got to get above 37 cents, turn that into supports. Do I think we can do that on the daily right now? Yeah. Like I said, check it out. The 12 and 26 day moving averages about to cross, bullish cross, looking great, looking fantastic, momentum moving to the upside, and you visited the 30 on the RSI. What more do you want? This is where people are going to buy. It was oversold. People wanted to get some cheap coin, and that's what happened. That's why you're seeing such a nice pump today. 25% on New Cipher, not too bad. It's been a minute. It's been quite a long minute before we've seen that. So get about 37 cents, turn that into support with the 21 EMA, and the next stop is going to be 47 cents. After 47 cents, it's going to be 49 cents. After you break through 49 cents, it's going to be 55 cents. Guys, that's the crucial level for New Cipher. I don't know if you understand, but New Cipher absolutely 100% has to get above 55 cents in order for me to start feeling bullish about this coin. And if it gets above 55 cents, I'm back in. I'm 100% going back in. I'm going to be purchasing as soon as we, get above the 55 cent area. And notice, Leland, there's so much more potential down below where you could get such a lower price. You're right, but I'm assessing my risk. If we can get above that 55, I lower my risk so much more. And that's telling me that the trends have reversed and we're going to start moving up. Let me show you something real quick, okay? We're going to go back to New Cipher. Let me show you Stellar, okay? Let me show you what Stellar has done in its previous past. I just saw it right there. Okay. Look at Stellar. Okay. We're going to go over this a few times. This is going to look all too familiar because it's going to remind you of Bitcoin. But if we were in Bitcoin right now, this is kind of where we would be right about now, right? Where we have kind of gone down and a lot of people are losing hope and people think we're going into a bear market, but no, we've gone down and we've touched that 21 EMA, and look at the bounce that happened right after that. Mind you, this is a weekly chart, okay? This went up massively. That candle was insane. Let's just go ahead and measure that real quick on Stellar. That was a 217% candle. No joke. Hey, Colin, what's up, dude? Colin McGrath. Hello. How are you, dude? Thank you so much for the 15 super chat. Really appreciate that, brother. Let's see. Great channel. Thanks for what you do. Can you check out AMP token, please? Another note. B Pro with a reverse head and shoulders on the daily, looking bullish as F, dude. Okay, you got me excited. I want to go check out B Pro. Now that you said that, yeah, let's go check out AMP. I was talking to a guy the other day who was all about AMP. I was actually going to buy a car. He was the guy who was selling me the car, and we got into crypto. I swear 3/4 of our conversation was crypto. I was there way too long. So yeah, absolutely. Thank you for the 15, and let's go check it out. So this is what it kind of looks like, right? This is kind of what New Cipher looks like right now, where we've kind of gone down like crazy. Remember, this is a weekly chart, okay? So we've gone down like crazy over here, and then out of nowhere, you start seeing this pump where you come and you hit that 21 EMA, okay? Keep that in mind. I just wanted to show you that real quick, because that's the kind of momentum that you're going to see within crypto. That's exactly what kind of things you're going to see. Okay, New Cipher right back here. So like I said, we're going to finish this up. We're almost done with New Cipher, and then we're going to move on. So like I said, getting above 50 cents is going to be crucial. That's it. Straight up. That's all you need to do. There are your targets. Be looking out for 37 cents, 47 cents, 49 cents, hopefully getting above that 50 cents, right? Huge psychological resistance. And then 55 cents. I'll start feeling much better. Don't expect this to happen overnight, guys. We're going to be talking about a nice recovery all throughout the month of July. It's going to look something kind of like that. Maybe we'll see. I'm sorry, June, all throughout the month of June. It's going to take time, guys. Like I said, it's going to take a few weeks, at least 6-7 weeks, in my opinion, that I think we're going to be hitting. So anyways, that's about it. New Cypher, not looking too bad right now. Looking pretty good. But we have some levels that we have to hit first. Okay, going over and we're going to check out ZIL. Let's look at the one calculated by TradingView. ZIL is up 19.5% today. Fantastic. A lot of coins right now having huge recovery. What kind of a dip did ZIL take when Bitcoin dropped? Looking at about a 72% drop. Ouch. You know, that's kind of what we were kind of expecting. It took even a little bit more of a drop than Bitcoin, which is kind of interesting, but Bitcoin hit 30,000 and then went back down and hit like 32,000. But you're seeing a kind of like a consecutive low over here where we went from 8 cents all the way back down to 6 cents, you know, that the 6-9 area. But what is really nice is we are staying above the 236 on ZIL right now. That's awesome. This is on the daily, guys. You know, we want to see these recoveries. We want to get back above the 11 cents. 14 cents is going to be that resistance for you. Are you going up there? I don't know. Let's see what the charts are saying. See, a lot of these things are doing very similar things right now. We have negative momentum is slightly moving down, but I think this is just going to be continuance. Maybe a recovery that we're going to be happening once we have a cross between the 12 and 26 day moving average. So let's watch that. I don't think I think a lot of these markets are manipulated by Bitcoin and they do what Bitcoin says. So the charts are sometimes a little bit harder to read and they'll do completely opposite of what you think is going to happen. This is just my experience within crypto. So being that your oscillators literally have never ever been this low before on ZIL, ever. Look at the 12 and 26 day moving average. Do you see anything else over here from all this time over here? I see, look, there's nothing. So about to get that bullish cross right here. It's going to be beautiful. About to get that bullish cross. Momentum is starting to move back up on the stochastic RSI below the 20, moving right back up, looking beautiful. Came back down, revisited. See, a lot of these things are looking the same. Are they not looking the same to you guys right now? That's crypto for you. You know, a lot of these markets or this market will be pertaining to a lot of these coins that they just look the same right now. So is it a bad idea to get into any coin right now? No, but you know, if you want to get into one of those coins that are just going to be taking off and exploding, you need to see what's popular. You need to see like Matic right now. Matic is really popular. I don't know if you guys noticed, but Matic retraced over 100%, which is absolutely insane. It's probably the best performing coin right now. And you know, there's a reason for that. There's a huge use case and it's popular. It's got, what's the market cap on Polygon? I have no idea. Everything's changed. I don't know what all they are, but anyways, guys, let's get back over to ZIL. So looking good, looking pretty bullish. There's going to be some levels that I'm going to want to see for us to get back above. And if we look at previous data, we can clearly see we can put one. Okay, we got a really nice support level right there. We have a resistance level. I was gonna put it at the right there, but that's the 382, literally right at the 382. So that's going to be a big level, but we're on the daily right now, so definitely need to get back above that 21 EMA as we're going to consolidate, guys. There's gonna be a pattern that's going to ensue throughout this entire thing, whether we start down here and we go up and it comes over here and it goes down and we consolidate, whatever it might look like. So be on the lookout for that. Like I said before, it is possible for us to get back above the 30, the 382, and then we start, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and so up, and we start moving up in an uptrend like that. It's very possible. But after a pretty big drop like that, even after a huge move, right? So if I were just to inverse this whole thing, hey, get out of there. If I was to inverse this whole thing, this was, and all I did was flip the chart, right? I just flipped the chart upside down. If you were to see this on a chart, if I were to see this on a chart, right? We've had this huge downturn right over here, right? And then it started coming down over here. Well, then I would be saying, yeah, there's going to be reversal here. Now, obviously, we've hit like this double bottom and we're starting to get that retrace. And I think we're going to be going, much lower, but it's a lot different when we look at it, upside right. So upside down, you know, that looks like a reversal for me, which looks bullish, but in this case, it's bearish, right? Kind of confusing. I know. Let me go back to let me flip it right back up for you. So, I do think crypto is going to take that, that recovery. I was thinking of something just then. Okay. Let me show you something. Where'd it go? What was I looking at? It was, XLM. Let me go back and let me flip that. I like XLM because it's a really good example of showing you what the chart looks like when it's flipped upside down. So let's get rid of all that and let's flip it upside down. So where is it? Where is it? Right about here. Okay. Right about there. So, you know, when you're seeing a chart like this and it's going down, you know, and you start to see all these red bars in here and, you know, we're going up and then it just drops like crazy. That's kind of like what we were looking at over with ZIL, right? And I think it's just pretty funny to me because it'll just have these huge jumps. Let me flip it right back upside. But that's what you're going to see. It's just going to consolidate to the side for a little bit and then boom, and then consolidate to the side and then boom. But we're going to need that momentum that's going to be putting us back there. So anyways, let's go back over to ZIL so I can get the better examples going on. Which one were we looking at? Was it the Bitfinex one? Is it this one? Hold up. Yeah, it is this one. Okay. So, here, let me flip it right back over. So areas that I'm going to be looking for on ZIL, I'm going to be looking for that 14 cents as we're going to be running into the 21 EMA as resistance, probably around 14, 15 cents. I'm going to imagine. Don't expect to break that right away, guys. Like I said, we're going to consolidate. We're going to get rejected over at that 21 EMA and it might come back down. It might touch that 11 cents or it might come back down to that 11.7 cent area. That's a good area of support. Dropping below the 11.3, the 11.7 cent area is not good. That's really not good. And you're probably going to start seeing the price difference within Bitcoin at that point. So stay above the 14, get above the 20 EMA, 21 EMA, and let's attempt to get over to the 16 cent area as we can continue to consolidate and start moving sideways. But right now, should you take a position within ZIL? Would I take a position? Yeah, absolutely. I definitely, this is a buy right here. I mean, you're a little late, right? You should have bought the bottom, but if you want to get into it, not a bad idea. I think you can still make some money off of it in the short term, but if you're in here for the long term, then yeah, just hold on to it. So either way, ZIL looking pretty good right now. Got to break 14 cents, 15 cents area. Okay. Remember that 14, 15 cents. After that, cool. Let's go up to 16 cents. The real goal truly is to get up to the 618, guys. This is the doorway to higher highs. This is what we want to see right there. Hands down, 100%. 18 cents over to 21 cents. We can hit that level. We're going much higher. Okay. And we'll be tracking that too. You go up to 18 cents, you turn that into support and you come up and you hit 21 cents, dude. I don't know what you guys have been doing, but you better be buying more because this price is going to be going much higher after that. That's about it. Really not much else to talk about with ZIL other than you need to be watching this right here. Look at the weekly chart and look at the 21 EMA. Okay. You broke down below the 21 EMA on the weekly and you're coming back up, and it's possible you might use that as resistance, which is why I'm telling you, you have to get back above 14, 15 cents in that area, turn that into support. Then I think we'll be looking good. Right now, not too bad. You can still make some money. But you know, you have to take a shot of hopium to hope that this thing goes up a little bit higher. But nevertheless, that's what we need to see. Straight up. That's it. That's about it. Okay, let's talk to the chat real quick. Never seen you without a hat. Yeah, I know. It's crazy, man. I had a really crappy haircut. I was telling the chat earlier, like I had a bad haircut, which is why I wore a hat for so long. Crypto Grenade, are we in a bull market? Yes, 100%. We are in a bull market. And if so, do you think we'll continue till late this year? Yes. And I've actually extended out my prediction dates from September over to March of 2022. Yeah, straight up. Let's see. NIM running nice and looks like it's about to run like crazy. A lot of things are looking like that right now, to be honest. A lot of them are looking like that. We have an unfilled wick just under $30,000 on Bitcoin. Do you think we fill before we start to recover? An unfilled wick. Are you talking about the CME futures? Because that's very possible. Let's see. Let's go look at futures. Is that what you're talking about? I just want to make sure that that's what you're talking about. He says we have an unfilled wick just under $30,000 on Bitcoin. Do you think we fill it before we start to recover? What do you mean by unfilled wick? I'm not sure what you mean by that. me go back to Bitcoin real quick, see what he's talking about. An unfilled wick. I'm not sure what you mean. Yeah, Michael, ETH gang for sure. I'm heavily invested in Ethereum, straight up, so much. Probably irresponsibly invested in Ethereum. If you guys don't believe in Ethereum, it's just something that you're gonna have to take a sip of. You know, you're gonna have to drink that Kool-Aid at some point, because it's not a matter of if, it is a matter of when the flipping happens. And Ethereum's it's a little too close for comfort there, Clyde. Yeah, let's try not to do that. The flipping is going to happen, and the Ethereum market cap is going to exceed Bitcoin's. Yeah, it's going to happen. I don't know like when. I know it's not if, it is when. I'm telling you right now, Ethereum will flip Bitcoin's market cap. It will, straight up. Look at the 4 hour. Saying look at the 4 hour, okay, on Bitcoin. Unfilled wick. I don't know what you mean by that. Unfilled wick. You talk about CME futures? That's the only thing I can hear. I don't know what you're talking about, Joseph. So unfilled wick. Not sure what that means. I mean, there's a huge wick, a lot of buying pressure, lots of buying pressure on Bitcoin. Looking great though, looking fantastic so far. Above the 21 EMA, moving our way up, trying to get above the 382 on our Fibonacci retracement right here. I mean, we're having beautiful action within the indicators. Looking good, man. I don't really see anything. Let me know. Maybe we'll go back and check it out. Hey Clyde, I know you're joking, dude, but let's not do that. Okay. I'm gonna yeah, don't do that. Joseph, really long red wick. It's just buying power, dude. It's just all the buying power down below. It doesn't, I mean, that just shows me that people are buying Bitcoin at those levels and they're not gonna let it see it go down. Okay. Wow, I have not done a TA on this in quite some time. Ooh, nice. Yeah, dude, it's looking like everything else right now. It's just looking really good. Looking really good. Dang, we got knocked. Yep, look at that, hit that trend line and boom, right back down. Let's see where we're at right now. You know what? Not too bad, dude. AMP is not looking too bad. Especially because we still have a larger Fibonacci that we were, in, and it didn't drop below that previous low that we had back here, right? Which was about almost 2 pennies. Almost 2 pennies right now, sitting at 4 cents. Looking pretty good, my guy. On the Fibonacci retracement, I don't know what more you could really ask for, but you're sitting between the 618 and 786 right now with this huge wick that just went up to the upside and got denied by that 21 EMA on the daily. Everything's getting denied on the daily right now, so don't feel bad or anything. That's just normal. Don't expect to break through it so quickly. Don't you typically end up becoming a full candle? Don't those typically end up becoming a full candle? Joseph, I'm not sure what you're talking about. The candle's closed. It's done. I'm not understanding your question about Bitcoin. So, all right. Sorry, Clyde. We got to get you out of here, bro. Not cool. Let's see. Remove. Bye. Come in here and talk like that. I don't care if you're joking. It's not cool, especially in these times right now. Come on, man. Like, where are you at? What are you doing? So, anyways, goodbye, Clyde. So, yeah, getting rejected. But the nice thing is you're sitting between the 618 and 786 right now. That's beautiful. Huge recovery that you had. How much big of a drop was that? How big of a drop that was? Oh, 67%. Dude, that's a lot. When Bitcoin dropped and it dropped as much as it did, altcoins took a beating. Like, people who bought at that top over there literally lost like 75% of their money. Well, unless they sold, and if you were selling during the dip, you're a loser. No, seriously, you're a loser. You literally lost money. And you need to start developing some diamond hands, because that's ridiculous. Yeah, no problem, Corey. Yeah, I don't put up with that stuff, dude. You come in here and you start doing that kind of stuff, I don't care. I only have 52 viewers in here. That's fine. There's 52 other people in here who want to have, a good time and enjoy and watch what's going on. They don't want to hear that stuff. I don't want to hear that stuff. That's not cool. Not cool. Even if you're joking, it's some teenager. Like, get out of here. I don't care about you, kid. Get out. So let's look at the daily right now. So beautiful. You're about to get a cross between the 12 and 26 day moving average. Price action is moving first, right? Should have bought that dip, guys. That's what I was saying. Buy that dip. Momentum's starting to move to the upside. Was below the 20 on the stochastic RSI, and you came back down and you touched the 30 on the RSI, and you're starting to get that bounce right back up. What more could you ask for? Looking pretty good. I'm going to want to see a few levels for us to break through on AMP. Right now, we need to stay above that 4 cents. Stay above 4 cents. Even if you come back down on the 4-hour chart and you turn that into support, great. Do it. Don't go below it. You really don't want to see that happen. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Here's a 4-hour chart. You see that red wick that came back down. And we were just, all we were doing was testing previous resistance, or what was once resistance back here is now support. Boom, right there. Resistance, support. That's all we were doing. Coincidentally, that was at the 618. Now let's go back up, and I want to see AMP go above 4.7. So 4 cents, almost 5 cents. Get it back above 5 cents, and you're going to be looking good. I think once you can get back above that 5 cent area, not only are you going to be, let's see, right there, not only are you going to be getting above this current resistant line right here, this horizontal resistant line, but that's going to be putting you above the 21 EMA as well on the daily, guys. Okay, that's huge. That's big news. I don't know if you guys know, but getting above that would be really big. So turn the 786 into support, get above this resistance line that we had coming down all the way right there. And guys, this is going to be looking really good for AMP. Is it looking like that right now? It does. You know, it really does look like that. We only have about an hour and 19 minutes before we close this daily candle right now. But do I think it's going to happen? Yes, guys. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time before this stuff happens. Do I think we can go lower? Yeah, I do. I still think we can go lower too. Like I said, Bitcoin can probably still drop down to $22,000, $24,000. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. It's just pure manipulation within the market, and that gives you an opportunity to buy some cheap coins. So if we do see that, you're going to be dropping below the 4 cent line, coming back down to the 3 cents, 7, then back down to 3 cents, 2, and then going back down to 2 cents, 7. I don't want that to happen, but if we are in some kind of consolidation pattern, don't be, what's the word? Don't be afraid if it happens, because we're just going to be coming up and making a higher low, but we need to stay above, at the very least, at the 3 cent 2. Come back down, make a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. And it's going to take time. It might look like something like this, it might look like that, which is, guys, June is going to be the month of consolidation. It's going to be the month that we all remember of, like, man, I'm gonna be freaking out. Am I going to be losing my money? Are we starting a bear market? Don't worry, guys. Stick with me. Watch my videos, watch the live TAs, go buy my book. If you guys don't know, link is down below. You can purchase my book. Okay. I have, it's a collaboration of open source information. Basically, you're going to learn about TA. You're going to learn about different patterns, indicators, charts, trend lines, Fibonacci's, head and shoulder, everything. You're going to, all the basic stuff that you need to get under your belt in order to start trading a little bit better. You're going to start knowing when to buy those bottoms, and you're going to know when to start to sell those tops. A lot of people, when they first get into crypto, they come over and let's just say we're over something like that, right? Let's say we're in something like that, and people, when we've had a huge move up to the upside, they're like, oh man, it's moving, I'm going to jump on the train. And then they buy in right here. Okay, watch that circle. Okay, I'm gonna go back out. I'm gonna show you on the indicator why that's a terrible time to buy. Look, your histogram has already hit the red, or it hit the green, and you're almost at the top right there, right? And your green is starting to shift over to light green. You're starting to lose momentum. Price action is starting to dip right back down. Now, yeah, it went back up, and that's cool, but that's not the time to buy. The time to buy is when you're in this red over here, when you're starting to bottom out on that histogram, when you're starting to shift over from that red to that light red bar. That's the time to buy right there. This is the time to buy. This is the time to buy. My book is going to teach you, and I'm going to teach you where to buy, and you're going to get better at this. At first you're not really going to know, and you're going to be kind of scared, and I get it. That's totally fine, but that's why you're here. This is why you're here, to learn. Don't make those trades right away. Make a fake trade. Tell yourself, write it down on a piece of paper. Okay, I bought AMP, on this day for this much, and then predict where you want to sell it. Watch the indicators. Okay, watch the indicators, and then come over here and say, when it starts to top out and you start to hit that green over to that light green, and you're crossing between the 12 and 26 day moving average, starting to create that bearish cross. then you start selling, right? You calculate that percentage, you see how much money you made. Did you make more than 30%? You're going to have to, because you're taking capital gains. You're taking capital gains and you're going to take that realized profit, and the government's going to come in and go, hey, give me my money. I want some of that money because they're greedy bitches. Really, that's really how it is. Thank you, government. I mean, this is why we're in crypto, right? This is why we're in crypto. I mean, that's why I'm in crypto. I don't believe in the system. I don't. And I'll tell you that straight up. Do I love the US? Yes. Am I a patriot? Yeah. But dude, the system is so broken right now that I'm like, I'm going to go this way while you guys, go screw yourself. Okay. This is why I'm here. We're here to make money. Go check it out. You can order it from Amazon. You'll get it in 2 days. I'm in Walmart. I'm in Barnes and Nobles. I'm in Target. You can go find my book anywhere. I am global, baby. And this book it's getting such good reviews. People are telling me, they're like, man, I'm learning so much and I'm making money. I'm making money. That's exactly what we need to do. This is why I'm here. If you're not here to make money, I don't know what the hell you're doing here. Get out, because we're making money. So anyways, more on a serious note, guys, that's about it for AMP right now. That's what I'm going to be seeing. What I'm going to want to see is for us to get above that 5 cent area. 5 cents is going to be crucial. Absolutely crucial. So anyways, let's go back over to someone. Okay. So someone was talking about this wick filling business with, who was it? Hey, what's up, Lefty? Hey, stranger. What's up, dude? Hey, Steffi. Hey, thank you. Thank you for the 10, Steph. I really appreciate that. Good to see you back here, man. Thanks for joining, man. Thank you for supporting the channel and always being in here. I appreciate you, man. Like, even if you're not, that's great. That's awesome. Thank you for contributing and donating. That's awesome. Thank you. But like, the fact that you're in here all the time, dude, and you're watching my TAs and you're watching my videos and you're learning stuff, like that's the home run right there for me, man. So thank you so much. He says, hey there, can we say ANKR? Thank you. Yeah, dude, no problem. I got you. ANKR, adding it to the list right about now. Lefty, yes, it is all about the TA. Let's see. How's 22 for your 28? I'm not sure what they're talking about. They're talking about something else over here. How about a different question? Do you think we go below 35 again and possibly bounce off 30 or even 28? I think if we go below 30, we're definitely going to be going to 25 at least. Definitely at least 25. That's just my opinion. But yeah, just buy the dip, dude. I mean, I loved this drop when it was happening. People are freaking out and getting messages over on Twitter and Discord, which, by the way, if you guys aren't a part of the Discord and the Twitter, go join. Not Twitter. I mean, you could join my Twitter too. Telegram and Discord. Those are the groups that I'm really in the most. I'm mostly in Telegram. Telegram is going to be where you're going to find me the most in there, but go join. There's a lot of great people, a lot of great conversations. They start talking about whatever coins are pumping at that time, start giving suggestions, and it's just a good community to be a part of. Links are down below for the Telegram and the Discord. Go check it out. It's one click away from joining. We have over like 800 members, like 830 members in the Telegram, and over, I don't know, 500 or 600 in the Discord. But the Discord's really for you to get those alerts right away, because the YouTube notification system is really not that good. I need some water. One sec. You're hoping for one more drop? Me too, man. If it happens, cool. I don't care. Let it drop. Let me buy more, and I'm gonna become very rich. I make a lot of money. Quite a lot of money. Actually, a huge amount. That's a terrible impression, dude. Don't you ever do that again. Jesus Christ. Okay. I'm going over to ANKR, requested by Steph E. Let's check it out. Let's see what we're doing right now. Hey, Steph. So we never broke above that. Look, I left this note right here for you, Steph. We never broke above that, but we're definitely going to be talking about that's when Bitcoin literally, dude, like that next day, right? Bitcoin took a huge plumb down. And where did it go? It came down and it hit, look where our candle closed right here. It hit our 11 cent and then bounced right back up. But look at that resistance, dude. Look at this resistance right here on these bodies. Perfectly right at 12. We came back down and then we dropped down below. Let's go to a 4 hour so we can see this a little bit better. But look, we dropped. Look at these levels, dude. They don't lie. They're so perfect. Right there, right there. Couldn't hold it up right here. Drop back down below. That was support. And then when we couldn't hold that support, we dropped down. And where did we go? straight back down to that 9 cents right there. Stuff, man. I'm telling you, man, these charts don't lie. This is just classic TA. This is traditional TA being applied to a non-traditional market, and that's all it is, man. We're here to make money. But you know, if you remember, I put these lines here for a reason. Stuff, you know, yeah, we had our breakout target, but there's a reason why I put these lines in over here, man, and I'm glad you were here to see it. So definitely, you can see we're catching that support right now at that 11 cents. We're getting that bounce off, looking pretty good. It does look like you're in a pattern right now. You're doing some kind of ascending triangle, very small, nothing really, you know, too much to be concerned about. You know, it's gonna break to the upside, and I can tell you that right now just by looking at the price action right now. You look clearly, right? You have an area of sellers who are just, it comes up, sell, comes up, sells, comes up, sells. But what's really nice about this on the 4-hour chart, bro, is that you are creating, that's terrible. Here, let's do this instead. You are creating, boom, look at that. And let's get rid of this mediocre stuff. What are you doing, bro? Come on, man. Right here. It's right about right there. Ooh, you're approaching the apex. You're approaching the apex right now. Looking good, man. Looking really good. About to get a breakout of this ascending triangle. Bullish, straight up bullish, man. Okay, this is a smaller time frame, right? We're on a 4-hour, not that big of a deal, right? Cool, great, that's awesome. Could we measure it? Yeah. Do you want to? Sure, we could do it, no problem. You know, we can see, you know, where possibly we might be getting that breakout. Let's say we get the breakout right there. It doesn't really matter, but that's going to be taking up to a 13-14 cent, which is perfectly going to be that resistance that was before. Look at this, look at that. It's beautiful, it's perfect. It even comes back all the way over here, bro. Here's this line right here, support, boom, resistance, and then resistance, boom, back into support. Same thing over here, support, and then, you know, getting respected throughout here. And it was crazy, right? Look at this, resistance, support. Look at that, perfect, resistance, support, and then resistance. So that's going to be a crucial line. That's going to be an area where you're going to start selling off. Okay, you're going to get up that high and people are going to start selling, but hey, that's okay, dude. Look what happened. You're getting above that 12.6 right there, 12.5 cents. You get above that 12.5 cents, you get rejected at the 13.8. Beautiful, perfect. That's exactly what you want to see, man. You get back above, you get rejected over here, and you turn this into support right there. Watch it happen, bro. I'm telling you, that's probably going to happen. I haven't even looked at the indicators yet. Why do I think that's going to happen? Because boom, right here. Look at this bullish cross you're about to take, dude. Bullish cross right there. 12 and 26 day moving averages about to take a cross, a bullish cross at that point, and you have negative momentum that's starting to move to the upside as price action's moving down. That's good, dude. We're starting to put the brakes on, right? It's like the cartoon characters running in the movies or whatever, and they're running and then they dig their heels, right? And then you hear like the car screeching sound. Boom. That's where we're applying the brakes right now, and it's slowing down. People are starting, there's a lot of buying pressure at those bottom levels over here, dude. Look at these massive wicks to the downside, dude. People do not want this thing to go any lower than these wicks. Dude, this is huge amounts of buying pressure, which is why you're starting to see that shift, and we're starting to move to the upside. Beautiful. ANKR looking beautiful, dude. There's really I mean, what else would you want to look for in a chart other than that right there? So boom, 12 and 26 day moving averages about to take a cross, a bullish cross at that point. You were below the 20 on the stochastic RSI, and you're starting to shift that momentum up, looking good. You're even starting to create lower highs right here, some kind of pattern forming up. It looks very similar to your price action as well. Probably doing something like that. And then, you know, you're really low on the RSI, bro. I mean, you're sitting at the 40 freaking 3 right now. Like, these are the times to be buying crypto right here, right down here. So I think ANKR is looking really good right now. I think we're going to have a beautiful recovery. How much of a drop did it take? I never really measured it. 62%, not the worst. I've seen worse. BPRO took a way worse drop. Way worse. So but nevertheless, man, this line is still going to be holding up, which we're going to draw this out right there. Okay, I'm going to save this, and I still have my indicator or my alert set up over here for ANKR, bro, for 18 cents, which is eventually what we're going to be going back up to. Okay, it's not if, it is when that happens. It's inevitable. You can't stop it. It will, you know, like I said with the whole train analogy, you can derail the train, but it's gonna get back on there. Okay, the workers are gonna come out, they're gonna put it back on the train rack or on the train rails, and they're gonna be taking off. So let's go back to a 4-hour, and let's talk about, you know, where our support levels are. So if you drop below 11 cents, dude, it's not going to be looking good. Let's say we get a breakdown. Well, that's going to be taking you back down below that 9 cent, possibly even lower if we take this breakout target and move it to the downside. I mean, you're still making a higher low, but that's not good, man. That's not showing really good momentum, you know? But you know, if that were to happen, would I say it's over? Probably not, because it's in some kind of consolidation pattern, whatever it might look like. You know, that might be something like, maybe, I don't know. I'm just guessing, dude. I have no idea. That might look like something like that, you know? Maybe, who knows? I doubt that, though. I don't think you're going to be getting a move to the downside. I do think you're going to be getting that move to the upside, getting above that 12.6, that 12.5 cent area, coming up and getting rejected at 13.8 right here. Come up, hit that 13.8. That's fine. Get rejected. Good. It should, because it's going to be overbought at that point, dude. That recovery that you're going to be having after that is just, it's going to be immense. And you're going to be breaking a lot of resistances, dude. You're going to be breaking this resistance right here, which actually you already broke. So you're getting the confirmation right now. So you're in a pattern within a pattern. That's crazy. It's beautiful. Look, resistance, resistance, resistance. You broke through, you came back for the retest, and you're getting the confirmation, creating that in for nice. Looking good, kid. Looking good. Let's move it up. So that's what I think is going to happen with ANKR. I could be totally wrong, and Bitcoin could totally drop. And you have to keep that in mind. Bitcoin could drop it could drop right now. Knock on wood. I'm not hoping for it, but I'm just saying it could totally drop, dude. And we just start plunging back down. Look, it's trying to break out right now. It's trying to break out literally right as we are speaking, on the day right now. What are you up? Now you're up 8% right now. Cool. Great. Let's do it. The real goal though, dude, is to get above 13.8. Get above 13.8, turn that into support, and then the last one of those last tests, man, one of those last tests that we're going to be looking for is going to be trying to get above 15.8, 16 cent area. Once you do that, my guy, that's it. You're going to 18 cents, 20 cents, and probably a lot higher after that. We'll pull out a Fibonacci and see exactly where we're going to be going at that time. But, you know, we'll come back and we'll give those updates, you know, when they happen, for sure. Definitely when that happens. So that's about it, man. We have our support levels. We have our resistance levels. Those are the things we're going to be looking for. I still have my alert on, dude. So when we, you know, cross that alert, I'm going to be messaging you. I'm pretty sure you sent me a message. Yeah, you did. You sent me a message. Hey, Tony goes. Hey, what? New people? What's up, Tony? How you doing, Tony? Thanks for the 15, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let's see. Protein. Oh, got another one coming in back to back. Let's go. Hey, what's up, Carl? Dude, good to see you, man. It's been a minute since I've talked to you. Welcome back, man. Hello, how's it going? Okay, Tony, thank you for the 15. B-Pro TA, and where do you think the price will be at the end of the bull cycle? That's a hard one. I can give you a prediction, but it's going to be, I'm going to pull it out of my ass, dude, pretty much. I don't know. I have no idea. I can have speculation, and maybe I can follow trends and then maybe give you a rough estimate. I think I did make one, but we're going to check it out. Okay. Adding B-Pro to the list right now. Okay. Let's see. Carl, whichever chart looks best, vid, Acoin, or engine. Thank you. You are the man. Thank you. No, you are the man. My guy. Thank you so much.
Smoke weed every day.
Okay, let me see. I'm going to write it all down. So I'm going to put vid / Acoin / engine. And then I'm going to go look at each chart, and I'm going to pick the best one that I think will be good for you. So thank you. Thank you for that. Appreciate that, bro. Okay. That's it, man. ANKR, Steph, be looking for it, man. And I'll message you on Instagram on Telegram when these things unfold and we start doing our thing. So that's about it, man. That is about it. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I bought a new car the other day, and I bought a 2017 WRX, and I've always wanted a WRX. I never had one before, and you know, I thought I was hot shit. I was driving around, I was like, damn, this thing's fast. Like, it is fast, you know? For a stock car, it's fast. And then I can't stop ordering performance parts. I already voided my warranty. Like, I was talking to Tom, the guy who sold it to me, and he was like, you want a warranty? I'm like, yeah, let's get the warranty. It's got a 125,000 mile warranty, and well, that's voided, gone. I can't even use it anymore. Bought it. No, there's no point. It's okay. I might be able to still use it, maybe. But like literally the next day, I went to the shop and I was like, take that freaking exhaust off and give me something awesome. They did it. That was cool. And what else did they do? I put so I ordered a cold air intake, and then I got a tuner for it and a bunch of other parts for it, and that's literally what I've been doing. I've just been adding stuff to it. And after I got it tuned, was, dude, holy crap, like throw you in your freaking seat and keep you there the entire time until I shift. And it's so much fun. I've burned through so much gas within the past like week or so. So much fun. That's really what I've been doing. I've been enjoying that and starting a new project, and it's just been fun. A lot of fun. Joseph said, I had a 2013 WRX back in the day. Still the best car I ever had. Dude, they're freaking fun, man. They're so much fun. But yeah, just wanted to tell you guys about that real quick. Let's go over to B Pro. What's going on with B Pro? Guy wants to see what the price action is going to be looking like by the end of the year. I think that's hard to say. Cool, dude. Finally, B Pro's up 26%. That's what's up. Cool. Having a bit of recovery like everything else. Looking pretty good. Ooh, look, we got through that resistance right there. Let's go over to an hour and see if that was let me see. Kinda, right? You know, the little two. Yeah, no, that is right there. Resistance, and then fell back below, and then resistance support, and we're getting the resumption off of it right now. So that's good. You can see right there. So, okay, looking good. I'm way too zoomed in. I just wanted to see the price action and see exactly where we're going to be going. But dude, it came down and hit my lines really nicely, coming down over and hitting that 0.0034. B Pro, having the recovery, higher low. Great. What does the daily look like right now? Just like everything else right now, about to take that bullish cross. We're starting to come in, and I think that's when we're going to start seeing price action go up a little bit more, where eventually we'll probably go over and see the 0.008. Getting back up to that level would be really nice, but the real goal for us is to get back above a penny, guys. B Pro needs to get back above a penny. If it does not get back above a penny, you can kiss it goodbye, because it's not going to do anything. So that is the first real goal. Looking really good. Cross about to happen between the 12 and 26 day moving average. Momentum starting to move up. I like it. I like to see this momentum below the 20 on the stochastic RSI. And dude, we were below the RSI on the 30, below it, and we're getting the bounce off it right now, as we should. I mean, straight up, that's what we should be doing right now, because when you become oversold like that, there's only one way to go, and it's up for sure. Dumped out like $5,000 into it before I sold it. It was a blast. Had fun. No need to slow down, on turns. Dude, I know, right? That all-wheel drive is amazing. Handles, yeah, it really is, dude. It's awesome. Yeah, I think I've already dumped like $2,000 into it. I mean, not that much, but wait, how much of it? Yeah, it's about $2,000 that I put into it already. And I've only had it for like a week, but I'm not done. I am not done. I'm still going to be doing more stuff to it. So anyways. So yeah, those are the levels that we need to be hitting if we want to start feeling a little bit more bullish about this. But one thing that is kind of a little concerning for me about B Pro is all these other coins that we've taken a look at, right? And I want you guys to notice this, right? We've looked at what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins right now. Hey, single guy for you. Oh, you shouldn't have. Thank you for the 5, dude. I really appreciate that. Matic or ADA for the long-term investment. Good empty price for both for the long term. Wow. Dude, you giving me some pretty good choices here. Matic or Cardano. Polygon or Cardano. I would have to say... Oh, man. That's a hard one, dude. That's actually really hard. Okay, recently, Matic has been outperforming pretty much anything, and it's been doing really well. I mean, it went below $1, and now we're above $2 right now, which is... absolutely crazy. Or Cardano really hasn't done that much. It was, it's a good project. People are calling it the ETH killer. I know Cardano has been partnering up with a bunch of other people lately. Right now I'm gonna have to go with Matic. Definitely gonna have to go with Polygon right now, dude. That's what I would do for a long term. I would go with Matic. And Cardano. I would do both, man. Those are just really good. And I'm not just saying that. Like, you could show me other projects. So you could be like, oh, hey, should we do, Tron or Cardano? Yeah, dude, 100%. Cardano, like screw Tron, like screw Justin Sun. We hate him. I don't like him. I hate him. I literally do not like the guy at all. I don't like what he's trying to do. He's trying to like come into the space and say, oh, I can create cryptocurrency too. And it's like, dude, like that's all, like that's the only reason why you're here. Plus he's got like betting websites and stuff like that, which attribute to like gambling and stuff. And I just don't care, dude. I don't like the guy. So anyways, yeah. They're really both really good for long term. Cardano. For like short term big gains, like right now, Matic. Yeah. Okay, that's it. So what I'm going to be looking for B Pro is, like I said, we need, what I was saying before, all of these other charts have come up and they've hit that 21 EMA and they're getting rejected. B Pro hasn't even done that yet on the daily, which is kind of concerning. Like, man, there's just not a lot of volume within B Pro right now, but that's the thing. It's got such a low market cap that for us to make up all that ground like that, it's going to take some time, right? There's not a lot of money that's flowing into these low cap coins, but when they do, you better hold on, man. This is why I'm in such a low market cap coin. Typically, I don't like to gamble like that, but you know, given what I've seen on the charts, I mean, it just looks really good. B Pro will have its day. It will have its day. It will get out there and people will understand, you know, what the benefits are going to be for the use case for this thing. And, you know, if you're a gamer, which I haven't been gaming much lately, I've been like, because I've been busy, but I love playing games. I love video games. I grew up with them and I still love them to this day. And it's like, why should I stop playing? You know, I enjoy them. You know, I don't know life them all day like I used to. I wish I could. You know, that's all I would do. No, probably not. I grew out of that, but you know, this is just one of those tokens that I'm strictly going to be, it's a long-term hold. I'm not selling. I'm going to leave it there until we hit $1, $2, $3. Do I think that can happen? 100%. Do I think we can hit $3? Yeah, dude, for sure. And that's like 100 to 300, 200x from now. And I think I made a video about that I think B Pro definitely can do 200, 300x within the next 9 months. I know. You're like, what? Yeah, dude. I really do believe it. But there's things that we have to do now. There are levels that we have to hit within B Pro if we want to go ahead and we want to see higher highs. So first area of resistance, what we're probably going to do, we're going to come back down, and I think we're going to, especially on the 4 hour, we're going to come back down on B Pro and we're going to hit that 0.0066 level for support. We just broke above it. You can see this is previously resistance over here. We came down, we tried to go back above it, couldn't do it. We came over here and we just, I mean, the buyers all throughout here are just pushing the price back up, but there's going to be a bit of a consolidation, as I think we're probably going to come back up and then we're going to come back down to retest it. At that time, the 21 EMA will be somewhere around that area, giving it bounce, giving that liftoff, and coming back up to see if we can hit that 8 cent or point. It's 0.008. So almost a penny. We're getting back up there. We're not too far away, guys. We're not that far away from hitting a penny. What are we, like 30% away right now? Let me see. Yeah, almost a little bit more. 42. Okay, I was off. 43%. We're about 43%. It's not that far away, guys. It really is not. I mean, we're up 26% on the day right now. So definitely could happen within a day, within an hour, you know, whatever. But break above that level right there, turn that into support, then boom, we're out. But really, what we need to break through is going to be that long resistance that comes back all the way over here. And I'm actually going to adjust my line just a bit. No. Yes. No. Yes. Where I want to put it right there. I want to put it there, but I also want to leave it there. And I also want, it's hard. I would have multiple actually, but this one's very valid. This is a very, right there. That's a very valid trend line right there. You can see we have the resistance, and then the resistance, and then we got above it, and I thought we were going to be taking off, but no, we got denied, and then it was resistance all throughout here, and then got back above it, and then boom, right back down here, supports, and then we fell back down below. So that's definitely going to be an area that we're going to be running into, which is going to be at that 0.008. It's going to be a very crucial area for us to be looking at. But like I said, on the daily for B Pro right now, looking really good, about to get that cross. Just a quick recap before we move on. But dude, I mean, it looks like Stellar, right? It looks like Stellar. Crap, did I just move that? Okay, I did. It looks like Stellar during you know, its movements to the upside, right? We go up and then we consolidate to the side, we go down a little bit, and then we go up, and then we consolidate to the side, go down, and then we go up. It's just a matter of time, guys. It's just be pro. That's all I gotta say. Be pro. I am a huge believer in this. Yeah, I see other coins that are going up and they're, you know, like Matic right now, doing much better than Be Pro. But you'll see one day Matic definitely will have its day. Okay, that's about it. That's what we have. ATV Antics and Adventures was the first person who ever made a contribution to my live stream ever. I went live the first day and the dude comes in and he makes the first one ever. Thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate you. Thank you for the $25. $25. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you so much, man. Yo, bro, long time. Sorry, super busy earning that fiat. Hey, I hear you, bro. I hear you. So I can buy more crypto for sure. You haven't talked about Harmony 1 yet? I know I haven't talked about Harmony in a while, dude. It's been a hot minute. We only have 2 coins ahead of you right now, but we're gonna go and check out 1. Yeah, we're gonna go check out 1 for you. Would you mind a quick update? Appreciate you. Absolutely. ATV, thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate you. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at a couple of coins here. We have 1 person ahead of you right now. Now we have a choice between Vid, Acoin, or Engine. Now I'm gonna just take a quick look at Vid, and then never seen it before. Do the one calculated trading view, and then I want to take a quick look at Acoin, which there's only one. Alchemy, cool. And then I have Engine in there, but I'm just going to bring it up right here just so I have it close to me. And he said whichever one looks best. So we're going to do 2 for you, bro, because you did 20, Carl. And so we got Vid. Let's look at this. Go to a weekly. Okay, not a lot of data. October 20, not bad, not bad. What is... Just quick, real quick. Okay, 600. Okay, meh. Not the best, right? Not the greatest looking one. Okay, I see that one. Acoin over here on. Yikes. This is very, very sparsely traded. I could tell. Huge pumps, then dumps. Huge pumps, then dumps. Bringing you back down to a base every single time, dude. What is up with that? Look at these pumps and dumps, dude. Let's see. It's the beginning of the year. I don't like this chart. I don't like this chart whatsoever. Beginning of the year, to the top of 2,000%, but it dumped. It pumped and it dumped, and it pumps and it dumps, and it pumps and it. Look, you see that, dude? Look at all that selling. I don't like this one either. But if I had to choose between Vid, oh my neck, and Acoin, I would probably do Vid. Okay, I'm gonna show you Engine. You already know. Like, I'm gonna show you what's going on with Engine. So let's check out Vid. We're gonna check out Vid and Engine. Okay, not a lot of data, right? Not a lot of data whatsoever. What kind of trends do we see? What kind of trends are we working with right here? Well, I obviously have this guy, which you were below, and now you're above. So good for you. Good job. What else do we have? I need horizontal trend lines. I need to show what kind of support levels we were dealing with right there. Boom. Horizontal support. And then, ooh, right there. Boom. Resistance. And then, hey, get out of here. Okay. Obvious. Derp. And there's one down here. Yeah, right there. Yep, that's it right there. It's either straight up or straight down. There's really, wow, that's a pretty big gap. You're above it right now, dude. You're above it. Okay, this is what we're working with. This is what we have. We have 5 cents, 6 cents, 8 cents. Wait, no, 50 cents, 60 cents, 82 cents, and $1. Look at that. I put that line exactly at $1. And that's just, I wasn't looking at the amount. That's just what it is. That's just exactly where that support and resistance is. So, when dude, you're above it right now, and you're probably going to go back down and test it. But, damn, dude, you know what? That's looking pretty good. Even though it's like pretty new, you have some pretty good data over here that suggests that after you break 6 cents, you're going to 8 cents really quickly after that. There's no resistance over here, bro. There's literally no resistance. Look right here. Okay. You broke. Here was that resistance before at that 6 cent area. You got rejected. You came back above. And then look, You caught that support and you went straight up. You straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. That's it. And then same thing over here. You had these wicks that you were playing in this area like crazy, right? Playing within this area, using this as resistance and support, but boom, straight up, straight down. Same thing right here. You broke above it, boom, straight up, and then straight back down. So dude, the fact that you broke through, this is actually really huge, man. A lot of gains to be made, especially on the short term as a day trader. This is exactly the kind of stuff that I want to look at. This is beautiful, man. This is exactly what I want to see. Still a lot more room to the upside, dude. You're going to go up and you're going to hit 30% more, okay? Watch it. You're going to go up and you're going to hit 82 cents straight up, okay? But the real test is to see, can you break through it, okay? Can you break through that? You probably won't on the first try. You're probably going to come up, hit that, and then come back down. And the reason why I say that is because if we go over to the daily, actually, we're probably not even we probably can't do a daily. Oh, you can. Oh, we can do a daily. Okay, good. No, that's fine. That's good. So you're definitely getting that move to the upside. You haven't even fully played it out yet, dude, because look, 12 and 26 day moving averages. God, these are looking literally all the same. I feel like a broken record player. But that's what your 12 and 26 day moving averages. Look at that gap right there, dude. It's about to cross, okay? Bearish or bullish cross, price action's already happening. It's already happening. So going up to 82 cents, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, dude. I'll tell you that right now, straight up. Unless Bitcoin takes a giant dump and just leaves a big old steaming pile of dung for me to pick up with my hands, I'll pick it up. I don't care. I'll pick up that crap because I want to buy the dip. I want it. Ugh. Okay, so below the 20 on the stochastic RSI, you're getting that momentum up, dude. That's huge. That's good. That's exactly what you want to see. This is where you want to buy. When you're at the 20 on the stochastic RSI, you came down and touched the 30 on the RSI. Dude, what more do you want? That's beautiful. This is perfect levels to be buying and holding this kind of coin, especially when you know that you're going to be going up and you're going to be hitting 82 cents, okay? That's it. That is it, dude. You go up and you hit that level, great. You're probably going to get rejected. Well, that just threw you back into the trend that you were previously once in, higher high or higher low, higher low, higher low, and a little bit of a mishap. So that was Bitcoin. We all know that. That's okay. We don't care. Totally fine. Get back above, turn that into support, get rejected at that line, come back down, touch it, and then we make our way off. So you could take a position right now if you want to. You know, if you, I would, if you know, and I'm probably going to go over to Binance and check this out. Probably going to transfer over some Bitcoin and do an exchange on this. But excuse me, let me get rid of these lines real quick. So yeah, after 82 cents, so that's really going to be the test. Like I said, between 60 cents and 82 cents, straight up, straight down. And then you get above 82 cents, that's it, straight up or straight down up to $1. Okay. You hit 82 cents, you're going to go up to $1. You got to turn it into support though. Go up to $1 after that. It's going to take time. Okay. Probably going to be consolidating for quite some time, probably throughout the rest of this or the rest of June, man. Yeah, no. Yeah, it's going to be a minute, but where are you going to pick up? Where are you going to be making money? I know where I'm going to be picking up and going to be making money. So be watching for these levels, dude. You got to stay above right now 60 cents. You have to stay above it, because if you don't, you're going to fall back down to 50 cents. And if you fall below 50 cents, you're done. You're out. That's your stop loss. Do not go below 50 cents. If you do, you are out. You want nothing to do with it. It's going to kill you and you're going to kill it. So that's it, man. You have your supports. You have your resistances back above. We're going to 82 cents straight up. I can say that confidently. Like I've seen this multiple times. It looks beautiful. It looks absolutely beautiful. That's it. Hit $1 after that. If you can break above 82, turn it into support. Boom. Turn it into support. Go into $1. If you can break $1, go to $2 after that. Yep. $2. I know you're like, what? Really? $2? Yeah. That's not that far. I mean, really not that far. And when you do that, look what you're going to be doing though. Here, let's okay. Fibonacci. We take it, swing high, down to swing low. Okay. When you break through, you know, that $1 area right here, you're going to be going up to the 0.5 on the Fibonacci, which is going to be $1.10. Okay. After $1.10, that goes up to the 618, which is going to be $1.29. Dude, once you break through $1.29, it's not if, it's when you go up and you hit $2, which is going to be up here above that previous all-time high. And that's not too far-fetched. And then after that, dude, you're probably going to be going up and hitting $4. Yeah. You're like, dude, that's great. No, dude, that's math. That's straight up. Probably, I'm going to say by September, vid probably going to be hitting $4. Yeah. Yeah. Straight up. Okay. Let's go look at Engine. And then after Engine, we're taking a look at Harmony. We're going to look at OneCoin. Engine having a great day, up 57% today. Huge bounce. Okay, this is the first chart that we're looking at today that it's actually the first chart that it's above the 21 EMA on the daily. Whoa. Oh, I know. That's incredible. That's awesome. Okay, we need to catch that for support. We're going to go back down and we're going to touch it for support. Okay, there's no doubt in my mind that we will go back down and we will touch a 21 EMA on the daily. Whether that might look like that, maybe, I don't know, maybe somewhere in that area, but expect it to go back down below. Okay, it went up, it hit $2 and it got rejected. It's going to. It has to. Come on, man. It's $2. It's a psychological resistance. I mean, look at all of the support that we had previously in the past. And look, support, and it couldn't hold it, and then big old dump, right? Okay, you're gonna come up and you're gonna hit that for resistance, no problem. That's okay. That's exactly what we want to see. What I think is gonna happen next is you come up, you get rejected, and you come back down, probably to like the dollar. Let's just say $1.70, between $1.70 and $1.80. Be watching for that, okay? $1.70, $1.80, come back down, and we're going to consolidate. Okay, watch this happen. Watch this happen. I'm going to go ahead and say it right now. You're going to be creating an ascending triangle. I already know it. This is what you're going to do. Okay, this is what will happen. So huge run up, right? Okay, on the 4 hour, you're probably overbought. Yep, you're overbought right now. You're going to go back down. Okay, you hit $2. You're going to go back down, and you're going to do this. Boom, boom, higher low here. Boom, resistance, higher low, boom, right there. That's what you're going to form. Watch it happen. Okay. And then when you break through right there, then you're going to go up and you're going to hit, let's see, that goes down to, yeah, about almost $1.70. That's pretty close. Pretty rough drawing though. But when you do that, let me just make my prediction here. You're going to be making a new high, and you'll be breaking out, and then Engine will probably be going up above $2, which is really good news, man. Above $2 going to $1.35. That's going to be the breakout that I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to save this chart so that I can see if I was correct. And like, yeah, we'll just see what happens. But currently not looking too bad. Got to get above $2. It's going to consolidate for a little bit, man. Okay, it's going to take some time, probably maybe a day or two, maybe a couple days. Let that play out. Watch for the breakout to go up to $2.38, as everything else is taking a beautiful recovery. It's going through a beautiful recovery right now. So here, let's just get rid of that, and we'll leave my breakout target there, and I'll know why. So that's it, man. That's really about it. I mean, we can look at the beautiful cross that you're about to take. Price action already took off. Okay, now it's time for that momentum to start moving up. You start becoming overbought on your daily, and you start moving up above $2, probably a lot higher than $2 right now, my friend. You're probably going to be going up, and let's see, Engine, it's going to recover. You're going to break all-time highs, which was $4, or $4.02. It's going to happen. Okay, it's not if, it's when. You're going to recover. You're going to go back up. You break $4. And once you break $4, you're going to $8 after that, dude. And I know you're like, dude, what? That's crazy. $8? Yeah, dude, this is math. This is what's going to happen. We've had our correction. We've had our drop. Now the next move after that, $8. Break all-time highs, going to $8. Probably by September. I would say September. It's not too far away, man. September's right over here. Right over in this area over here. Watch it. You'll see. You'll come back and you'll go, dude, I can't believe you guessed that. Yeah, that's it. But currently looking really good right now, man. Looking really good. You're up 56% on the day. Expect a little bit of a retrace, man. Expect a retrace. It's probably going to go back down to $1.70. Yeah, probably a little bit lower. Maybe just a little bit of a lower day, but we'll see what happens. Did you check out GRT yet? No, we have not checked out GRT. I will check out GRT for you. I will. Damn, Low-Key wants to know what Clyde said. Oh, we don't need to talk about that, man. Anyways, VID has been announced or been around since before 2020. Yeah, I think that was just the when it hit the exchange, but I'm sure it's been around much longer. I'd have to find another chart for it to look better, but nevertheless, Carl, like that, based off of that data that I have right there, that's pretty recent data. It's a good amount of data for me to give you. It's still going to be very valid, and it's going to be looking really good. No Mo and Din. I don't know. You're making fun of it. Why do you think GRT is so off the radar? US side, I never really hear many influencers talking about it. Such a needed project. It's because it's ahead of its time right now, man. Like it's like buying Google back in 1994. It really is. You're so early on it and it's so cheap right now that I seriously believe GRT is going to be a $50 token minimum. That's how early you are right now. That's the thing. Dude, do not lose hope. Okay, you buy GRT, you hold it, you leave it. Don't touch it. Leave it. I'm not going to touch mine. You leave it and you'll see. It's a long-term hold, man. But short-term gains and stuff, we talk about that too. Somebody write that prediction down. Write it down, dude. Take a picture. I don't care. That's fine.
Smoke weed every day.
Okay, let's move on. We're gonna go over to OneCoin. Man, it's been a minute since I've looked at one. Let's go see what we got it. I sold GRT at $2.01.
Okay.
Why? I mean, good for you. You sold pretty much damn near the top, right? Good job. But I don't want people to develop bad trading habits, man. You might have gotten lucky, you know, with selling GRT at that price. Did you buy back down lower? Because if you did, good for you. But you know, I don't know what your status is. I don't know what you do, how you trade or anything, but be careful, dude. Be careful. It's a buy and hold situation with crypto. You don't want to be playing with it. You don't want to be buying it and selling it, buying and selling it, paying capital gains and thinking you're getting good, you know, good at it. And then that's probably the worst thing that could happen to a trader is you start getting really good at a coin. And that's not one. Or you get really, really good at trading in a bull market and you think you're really good. And then reality kicks in and just kind of kicks you in the nuts. Be careful, dude. Be careful. I believe in you though. I do, but it's a hard one. It's a hard one to do. Oh my God. Really? That's it? That's all Harmony did with the drop? That's amazing. I haven't seen this. Oh, I guess that was pretty bad. 71%, but it's still within our Fibonacci, which is not too bad. I mean, yeah, we did make a higher low. I mean, a lower low. But that's okay because the price actually is still moving sideways and we're holding above that 10-cent area pretty beautifully right now. Like and look at that rejection that you're getting on the daily. That's why I was saying, Engine looks so good because it's above the 21 EMA on the daily. It was the first chart we took a look at that was like, wow, that's a lot of hype. That's a lot of hype. But look at the rejection we're getting at the 21 EMA right now. Not bad. That's cool. I don't have a problem with that. It's normal. That's perfectly normal. Okay. What I'm impressed with on one right now is that the range that you're staying in between, right? So you have this range and let's just get rid of all of it. You have this beautiful range and you're sitting between here and about right there. That's your range that you really like to play in between with Harmony. And it's really stable. Notice how we didn't take such a huge, dramatic, crazy move to the downside. You know, we've had this huge pump to the upside, which by the way, guys, one is a beautiful, beautiful chart. And it's just, one is one of those projects where it's a long-term hold. You buy real cheap and you go and you leave it there. Okay. Short-term holds are like Shiba and Dogecoin. If you want to risk it for the biscuit and try to make these gains in the short term, then yeah, go do that. You know, I do it sometimes, not going to lie. I do. Do I believe in the projects? No. Absolutely not. Am I going to take advantage of people who don't know what they're doing within the crypto market? Yeah, I'm sorry, but I am. I'm here to make money. And if you're going to give me that opportunity, I'm going to take it. Sorry. So, I love new people who come into crypto because they don't know what they're doing, especially people who don't do their research or don't come into the live streams. And then you're like, damn, dude, that's pretty cold blooded. But dude, I'm sorry. That's business. That's the way it is. And if you don't like it, then you don't want to make money because that's what happens. So, what I don't like about it is we get new people who come in and they're like, oh yeah, all I got is Doge and Shiba, bruh. Like to the moon. And I'm like, oh my God, dude. Yeah, to the moon. Go buy more. But these things, they do dump and they come back down. And then that's where I'm going to be buying. And I'm going to be buying super low. And then within a few hours, I'll make a huge gain, a huge percentage gain. Anyways, back to OneCoin. So nice range that we're in with OneCoin right now. Beautiful. Let's bring out the Fibonacci, currently sitting above the 236. You need to hold above, and notice these two lines right here. You need to hold above these two the support lines down here. We have one at about 9.5 cents. And the other one's sitting at about 10 cents. Okay, we need to hold above that. We don't really like to stay below that. As you can see, we just get bought up right there. Boom, 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 pushing us right back up to the upside. But the real test, what we really need to get back above, is going to be the 382. That's actually a more significant line than the 0.5, which is typically a more important line in our Fibonacci retracement. The 382 on this chart is going to be way more important because you can see that there was resistance back here, and then it was support, and then it was support, and then we broke down below, becoming resistance. And then that looks like, anyways, and then we got right back above it, and we turned it back into support, and then back down below. You see what I'm saying? This is such a huge, crucial line for us on Harmony that when we get above the 12 cent, that 12.5 cent area, it's straight up, straight down from 12.5 cents right back up to 14.5 cents. It's a pretty big gap. Okay, that's a lot of money to be made. But and then so when we get back above 12 cents, turn that into support, come back up and hit that $14 area. $14, 14 cents. 14.5 cents is going to be that area. Like I said, that's going to be another important area. Look, you can see support, boom, resistance right there. Got a fake out right there. Still resistance. So these are two huge levels. Between 12.5 cents to 14 cents is actually going to be a very crucial level for us to get back above. I think once we can do that and we turn the 14.5 cent into support, then that's time. It's time for us to be taking off, and we're going to be going much higher. But if we take a look at the indicators over here, you can see we are having that negative momentum that is moving to the upside. That's letting us know that we're starting to stop the selling. The selling is starting to stop, and we're going to start making these new highs to the upside. Sorry, I was looking down here for a second. We can see negative momentum moving to the upside. We're starting to stop right there. Look at all those buying, all huge buyings, huge wicks. We were below the 20 on the stochastic RSI, and we're starting to move back up. Momentum is starting to move back up. Price action will move up. Be looking for 12.5, 14 cents. That's the area that we need to get above. Okay, get into that area. Be comfortable within that area. And then once we're comfortable, we consolidate, break above 14.5 cents. You can do that. We're going to be going much higher, way higher. Notice down here on the RSI that we are starting to make an uptrend with our RSI straight up. Look at that. Low, higher low, moving in an upward trajectory as price action is moving down. That's bullish, guys. We're gaining strength. We are gaining strength. We're stopping those sellings. And a lot of people are just, frankly, they're done. They're done. You know, people are not going to be selling at these levels. It's stupid. Why would you sell at these levels? You'd be taking a loss if you did. So I believe we have bottomed for now. That's if Bitcoin continues to go up, and it should. You know, it should be continue to go up, but you never know. These markets get manipulated. So, like I said, we need to hold 10 cents. 10 cents is going to be the area, and you're right there, dude. You're right there. You're so close. Stay above 10 cents. Stay above that 10 cent area. Let's get back above and let's recover. Let's get back above that area, and we'll be looking pretty good, man. Other than that, that's about it. Those are the areas. That's what we need to be looking for. That's it. Straight up. Looking good, dude. Crypto is looking so good right now, and I can't wait. I'm excited for the recovery. I love a good comeback story. I love it. Look, Chris Pratt, when he was talking about it in Parks and Recs, you know, Kim Kardashian. Dude, I love that part. So it was a blooper, I think, but it's just the clip that I've seen on YouTube. It is so funny. Oh, I think she gets coming back. Oh, let's see. Ethereum up to 2867 right now, up 6% on the day, looking good. We're about to start a new daily candle in about 28 more minutes. Bitcoin up. Like I said, guys, Bitcoin, we need to start. I think Bitcoin still has time. Maybe we might be able to get above $40,000. But if we even approach and we start getting up to that level, it's going to be looking pretty good. Like I said, going up to $45,000 before we have a bit of a pullback. Watch that within the charts. Make sure you're watching your altcoins, because altcoins are going to take their dip too. They're going to need to consolidate, guys. They have to. They're going to go down, it's going to go up, and we're going to need to consolidate, and we're going to need to move to the side in an upward trajectory, creating an ascending triangle. Great, fantastic, looking good. But be patient. I'm telling you guys, be patient. I know today's a great day for crypto, 27% for NMR. Uni's up 13%. B Pro's up 27%. You know, we have a lot of these coins that are starting to move up. And so what happens typically when we have a really good up day, the next day we're going to have a little bit of a down day. If not, you know, maybe, you know, pretty good down day. But I don't think they're going to surpass the gains that we have made today. And then when I mean gains, I just mean the you know, the positive trajectory with the price that's moving up. I don't think, you know, B Pro is going to, you know, it's up 27% today. I don't think it's going to go down 27% tomorrow. You know, it might be down like 10%, 12% tomorrow. Don't be surprised. We need to come back and retrace to those levels. It's very important. It's very healthy. You guys need to be very patient within the crypto market, because that is what we need to do. How long do you think GRT get to all-time high again? I believe mid-July. That's what I think. Let's see. You got to be prepared to wait. Yeah, you do. You have to be prepared to wait, because that's what people are not prepared for. They don't want to wait. They're like, they want these lottery hands. They just want, you want to go make money really quickly, go buy some lottery tickets. You know, maybe you might get lucky, but you're better off just buying crypto. I mean, and my mother bought scratch offs the other day, and I was like, Mom, stop buying scratch offs. It's a waste of money. It's a scam. It's literally a scam. Once you go buy crypto, she's like, that's not exciting. I want to be able to scratch it, and then, you know, I get money right away. And I'm like, you could be excited every single day just by buying something and holding on to it, and you can watch the price go up a little bit more every single day. No, this is fun for me. Okay, whatever. That's fine, Mom. Do whatever you want to do. I love my mom. So you said $3 B Pro in 9 months. You think the bull run will last another 9 months? Probably longer, dude. I'm extending it out to March. So what do we got? We got June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Yeah, that's 9 months away. Yeah, I think I mean, I'm going to put it in. Okay. I made my initial where I think the bull run's going to be ending, and this is just based off previous data. You know, I'm counting the days from the halving over to the all-time high and the, you know, bull market and so on. So it was, you know, there's a certain amount of time. So that certain amount of time has put me on an average around September, you know, for the end of the bull market. Okay. But this is a different story. This is different. Being the pullback that we had, you know, it's actually given us more time within the bull market, personally, I think. And I think that extended it out at least another month or two. So we'll have to see. I don't know. Like I said, I'm pulling it out of my butt based off of data. So I can't say like, oh yeah, the bull market's going to be here and it's going to do. No, because if I do tell you that, I'm lying to you. I don't know. No one knows. No one knows this stuff, man. You just keep in check. Okay. Watch the channel, watch the live streams. When we start getting to that area, I'm already going to be selling. I don't care about picking the top. I do not care. I've already made gains. I'm in profit like freaking crazy right now, guys. Like crazy. Even after the drop, I'm still in profit. Crazy, stupid profit, because I've been holding for freaking ever. So we're going to be selling on the way up, and we're going to do it before the exchanges decide to shut down, or they decide to start to crash, because that's when everyone else is going to be selling. We're not going to be selling on the way down. We are going to be selling on the way up. Don't forget that, guys. We're going to play the strategy out really nicely. This is why you're here. We're going to be smart about this. Very smart about this. Cold, calculated, robotic decisions, no emotions. It doesn't matter how much money you have in your account. It doesn't matter, oh, I need to get to this certain number within my account. If you're playing the game like that, you will lose. You will absolutely lose. You need to be looking at the charts. You need to be looking at the numbers on the coin that you're holding to determine where you're going to be getting out. Do not base it on how much money you have. Okay. It is a game. It is a percentage game. Dude, I'm telling you, it's going to be epic. Okay. Especially at Ethereum. If you don't have Ethereum, what are you doing? I think Ethereum is still, hey, Ren, what's up? We're about to get off, but hey, what's up, dude? Thank you for the 10, dude. I really appreciate that. Thank you. He says, hey man, would it be great if I get an analysis? All up to you. Dash via Excel dot long-term potential would be great. What do you want to do? Vote, guys, vote. Which one do you want to see? Do you want to see Dash, via, Excel, or dot? You let me know, and then I'll just skim through and see whatever people are wanting to see. And that's what we'll take a look at. Gavin, yeah, dude. It's totally possible. We could make Well, I mean, new lows, on what time frame, right? From like 3 months ago. Yeah, that's possible. I was still talking about Bitcoin can still go down to $22,000 to $24,000. I just think that's where it could go. It could even go down to $20,000. Do I think it's over after that? No, I really don't. Do you think, let's see, the daily looks bearish to me on Bitcoin. The daily looks bearish to you on, it doesn't look bearish to me. What looks bearish? I mean, we're about to get a bullish cross. Okay, here's Bitcoin, about to get a bullish cross. We hit our bottom and we're starting to retrace back up, approaching the 382 on our Fibonacci. We had the stochastic RSI that hit the bottom and the momentum started moving up. Price action's moving up. We hit 30 down here. We're still really low in the RSI, sitting at 37. What are you bearish on, dude? What are you bearish on? I don't see it. That's the thing about different, analysis is everyone's got a different perspective on things. So show me what you're looking bearish on. Cause right now what I'm looking at, this looks fine, especially on the weekly, dude. We look so bullish. It's not even funny. Not even funny. Redo your research. Who said that? Code? Redo my research? My research is on the TA. I think you're talking to someone else though. BPro and AmpCoin looking very nice. Yeah. Yep. I think so too. TC, I want GTR. I've been here for 30 minutes. Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, I guess we could take a look at the GRT, just because I do that coin every single day. So yeah, we'll take a look at it. It's a freebie for everyone. Bitcoin having trouble breaking $395,000.
Nope.
Bruh.
What? And I think you meant to say $39,000, 39.5 thousand. And the candles starting to curve. Yeah, like I said, dude, we could probably still go back down to 22, 24,000. Keep saying it over and over. But yeah, are people okay? So I got via love your TA. It has made me money, but with all the whale manipulation, it's hard to use. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, I got you, Gavin. I know what you meant, dude. I'm just pulling your leg here. What's up, Sandbox? Welcome back, dude. Good to see you here. Okay, I got a vote for VIA. So we're doing VIA. I got 2 votes for VIA. USD. And we'll do Bittrex. USD. Yeah, we'll do that. Right, okay. Hey, Grenade, my dude. What's up, Maxwell? Hello, how are you? Good to see you, dude. D the Don. Dot. He wants to see Dot. I got 2 votes for VIA already. So we're gonna do VIA. Okay, let's take a look at it. Up 10% today. Beautiful chart, dude. Beautiful chart. Let's see. Ooh, this is a... Whoa, really? What? Holy sh... Dude, you guys see this? What? Oh my God. Check this out. Weekly right here. Look at this. Negative momentum moving to the downside as price actions moving up. Hidden bullish divergence. Boom. Right there. Okay. Beautiful. Massive. You're still on a trend. Gorgeous. On the weekly, guys. On the weekly. Okay. Below the 20. Stochastic RSI. Huge. Huge. The last time you were below the 20 was back here when the price was back here, which was like 17 cents. And then it pumped all the way up over $1. Okay. It's been a minute since you've been this low on the weekly. This is probably the the most bullish chart that I've looked at this entire session since we've been here. We've looked at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 coins, 11 right now. So, dude, okay. I've never heard of this coin. Apparently it's been around since 2014. So, I mean, this is the first time for everything, but God, dude. Oh my God, it's beautiful. And it's literally at a support line right now. It's trying to break through it. Literally that right there. Huge resistance, huge support going years back. Wow. Okay, guys, this is a lot. This is a huge opportunity right here. Okay. This is a really big opportunity. We're going to go to, I can do it on the weekly. Okay. Let's do it on the weekly. Let's see where did we get stomped out at? Was that the 786? Probably the 886. Let's go check it out. Fibonacci, some swing high, and I'm not going to take it to the wick. Okay. I'm not going to take it to the wick. I'm going to do it to the base. I'm going to do it to the base of the candles and get out of here. Okay. Base. If you're going to take it from the base, you go to the base. If you're going to take it from the wick, you go to the wick. Hold on. I'm playing around. I want to see. Okay, that's a good one too. But I'm going to take it from the bodies. Wow. Holy crap. Are you serious right now? Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, hold on. This looks so good. It's not even funny. Probably take that like to right there. Yeah, you totally could. Look at that beautiful trend. Okay, I love it. I absolutely love it. That was obviously support. This was obviously resistance. Then it was straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. Okay. Right now on the weekly, you got rejected at the 21 EMA. That's fine. No big deal. No big deal whatsoever. This looks really good, dude. This is actually a really good looking chart. I'm glad we're doing this. Okay. Where can you get this? Bittrex? I think I saw Binance on there too. Where's the other one? Yeah, Binance. If you started the 4 hour, you can really literally see wells done. Yeah, you can, dude. Some of the candles are obviously, yeah, absolutely, dude. Totally. Manipulation everywhere. Was it like Toy Story with Woody and Buzz? He's like, you know that meme I'm talking about? Manipulation everywhere. It just happens. That's just what happens. Okay. Right there. That's it. Daily. What's going on in the daily? Okay, good. Good. Cross. Momentum. Ooh, you hit the 30 perfectly down there. When was the last time you did that? Down here? Back in literally the liquidity crisis was the last time you went below the 30. Hit the 30, went below the 30. Both times. You hadn't done it since in over a year. Haven't done it in over a year. It's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Beautiful structure, dude. This coin looks. This is a long-term hold. This is not a short-term gain kind of thing. This is a long-term hold. What is the market cap of the? I wish TradingView would tell me the market cap of the friggin' coin on the exchange. Like, why not? Why not give me that information? About to take a cross between the 12 and 26 day moving average. Your stochastic R size below the 20. You're getting that momentum moving up. Price action starting to reflect that, but it hasn't even fully played out yet. This thing can probably still go back up to $1.21. We'll have to break $1, but I don't see that being an issue, being that you're at 90 cents right now. But I don't see that being an issue whatsoever. Okay, let's make this bigger. You were over here at $3.63. What kind of a drop did you take at that point? Woo! Damn, there's 86%. That's no joke, man. Why wouldn't you buy down here? Like, why wouldn't you? That's beautiful. I love it. Okay, I gotta hurry up because I gotta make a phone call here in 12 minutes. Yeah, looking good right now. You're currently above that 90.91, which was a resistance level in the past that it took a really hard time to break, dude. I mean, look, this is going back to June of 2017, bro. Like, this is a long trend that you broke back down below it. But the powerful thing is that you're getting back above that trend line right now, which was kind of hard to imagine. I mean, what I was thinking that was going to happen is you're going to go back up and hit the 91 and get rejected. But no, there's a lot of buying power here. A lot of people are buying up into this and it pushed it right back above that resistance. That's really important. If we wanted to see continuation to the upside, had we gone back up and then got rejected, I mean, you can clearly see, look at all this resistance right here, all of that resistance right there, all of this support back here. This is a very crucial area for VIA coin right now. So really good. You have to hold above 90 cents. You have to. If you drop below 90 cents, get out. Or you got to see what kind of consolidation you pattern in, but you better break back above 90 cents straight up. You have to. Other than that, dude, it's straight up, straight down to $1.21. That's it. And where you are right now, you're hanging right back above. You're still sitting about 30%. You're sitting about 30% away from that $1.21 area. After $1.21, you're going to be coming up and hit the 236 on our Fibonacci retracement at $1.61. Okay, it's a matter of time before that happens. You're following a trend line. It's beautiful. It's going to continue to move up too. Oh, you can obviously see this trend. Okay, we're throwing a lot of lines at you guys, but if you've watched my channel, you guys can stay. You can see what's going on. I believe in you guys. I believe you can see this. So look at this beautiful trend line that it's holding right there. Beautiful trend line. You came back down. You had the retest. When you finally got the breakout back here, which was going to be like March of 2021, so a couple months ago, you could see resistance, boom, 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 resistance, and then you turned it into support. Well, you came all this way up, and look where you came back down. You touched it for support. That's good, especially because you're getting right back above it. So looking really good. These are going to be the areas that I'm going to be looking for. $1.21 and then up to the 236 at $1.61. And then the true test is for us to get back above the 382, which is going to be $2.56, but that's a while away. Do I think it's going to happen? Yeah, I do. I really do. Because that's beautiful. Everything that I'm looking at right here, that's a buy. It's still a buy. It's still a buy. I mean, are you going to be able to find prices this low ever again? Probably within the next few weeks, but after that, no, not at all. I don't know, dude. This is looking really good. Not only on the daily, but on the weekly, creating that hidden bullish divergence. Don't forget that, guys. That's huge. That's massive. Okay. I need to make a note for myself. There were two coins I saw on this. It was VID and VIA. I'm going to go look at those a little bit I mean, I already did the TAs and look really good, but I'm going to go see exactly where I'm going to be putting in my buy orders for those two coins. I'm going to go over to Binance, transfer over some Bitcoin. Dude, it's looking really good. And what we don't, okay. We have our resistances. What about supports? Okay. We already hit the support. I don't need to talk about that. We already hit the support. If you drop below that support and you get below this trend line right here, and you break below that support, that was once resistance, you're going down. You're going to go down to this major, huge support line that's going back years, all the way back here. You'll be going down there, but we're talking like 26 cents, 30 cents. I don't see that happening. That would have to take a major correction. And then at that point, you're down like 90 something percent at that point. I mean, what the heck? Yeah, look, 92% at 28, 30 cents. If that were to happen, then no, I wouldn't stay in there because that's crazy. That's a huge drop. Why would you stay in here? This is a long-term hold. You're probably going to be seeing new all-time highs here by the end of the year. I'm thinking probably into next year too, maybe like January, February, where you'll see new all-time highs getting above $6, getting above that. Oh, it's $8. I'm sorry. $8. Yeah, $8 is going to be that level. Is it going to stop there? No. And you know what? You can actually do a really pretty, a very beautiful Elliott wave theory chart on this. With the first leg, the second leg, yeah, dude, you're probably on, let's see, 1, 2, 3. You're probably on the fourth leg right now going up, which typically with the fourth leg, you are going to be going past the second leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Very long-term kind of stuff though. Very long-term kind of stuff. So yeah, getting rejected right now on the weekly, that's no big deal. It's really no big deal, but we got to stay above 90 cents. Stay above 90 cents, turn it into support, and let's go higher. Let's go higher. That's really about it. I don't really have much else for you other than we go back to a daily or maybe a 4-hour and take a look at the support lines over here. I got 57 cents as a really big support for you. And then I have right here, 72 cents. If you come back down to 72 cents, you better get the bounce. You better get that bounce. And I have to get going really soon. This is going to be the last one, guys. This is going to be the last TA, and then we're going to move on. And I got to go make a phone call after this, but I really appreciate everyone who's come in. Thank you so much. Thank you for everyone being here. You guys are awesome. I'll try to go live tomorrow. Like I said, I just love driving the car. It's just, it's so much fun. It's so much fun. I'm going to get pulled over for sure. 100%. If I did a TA on like how likely it is I'm going to get pulled over, it's highly likely. I would probably bet that I would get pulled over. So, yeah, it's going to happen. So, yeah, come back down to 72 cents, but you better get right back above. Okay. That's possible. You might get rejected at 72 cents. I mean, 90 cents. But you better get the bounce at 72 cents and get back above 90 cents. That could happen. I wouldn't be bearish at that point, but like I said, you got to get back above. You got to get back above that area, hands down. After that, $1.21, and then so on and so forth. We'll come and check it out a little bit later. I'm going to add this one to my radar, and I'm actually going to put in, I want to see us hit $1.21. I'm adding an alert right now. I want to see right there us hit that area. Other than that, dude, probably one of the most bullish coins that we've looked at all day. Yep. You may want Tell, bro. There's so many coins, dude. I want all the coins. I wish I could be in every trade. I just can't. I wish. I mean, you could, but I need so much freaking money for that. Like, I have a handful of coins that I'm in right now. I wish I could be in all of them. I really do wish. Somebody said Viacoin would hit 60. The $60? I don't know where they got that number. It's pretty crazy though. Is it possible? You'd have to look at the market cap and then how much supply is released every year and do some math and stuff. You definitely have to check that out. So I don't know. I'm not really sure. The VIA will hit $50, $60. People are saying $50, $60. Wild card price $75 to $100. Oh yeah, somebody wanted a price prediction for B Pro. Oh no, we gave that. No chance. What card did you buy, dude? I got a WRX. I got a 2017 WRX. I love it. It was bone stock when I got it, and I threw an exhaust on it, cold air intake, and a tuner. I got a Cobb tuner for it, and changed the maps on it. If my warranty company is watching right now, hi. And because I mean, yeah, straight up, it's not the best thing to do when you have a warranty, but there's some things that you can do. You know, you can get a warranty, and then, like, let's say your axle goes out, or like your left front axle, I don't know, and then they're like, oh well, you know, there was nothing related from all the upgrades that you did that caused this issue, so we'll repair it. Or they might come back and go, yeah, no, it's because you did the exhaust, which I mean, if they did that, that'd be kind of silly, right? Oh yeah, your exhaust caused your axle to mess up. Really? No, I'm not buying it. So it just depends. All supply of $21 million market cap. That, I mean, that's Bitcoin, right? 21 million. We're talking about VIA, but I don't know. We'll see. Tell is utility, not an S coin. They're all S coins, all of them. Joseph deleting his messages. If Bitcoin hits anywhere near 275, VIA is paired. Low supply monetary. I don't know much about VIA, so you know what? I'm gonna go do my research. I'm gonna go do. I don't know. I have no idea. Yeah, that's the thing, right? $1.67 for B Pro, dude. A lot of people are saying that number. I think it's really possible. I really do. But anyways, guys, that is about it for me. Thank you for coming by, guys. Thank you for all the contributions. I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel. If you enjoyed watching this, come back tomorrow, guys. We're going to be going live again tomorrow. Join the Discord. Join the Telegram. Links are down below. Go check them out, guys. A lot of great people in there. If you want to talk about crypto, that's the place to be. If you guys want to learn how to do TA like me, go buy my book. It's $12.95. That's it. It's super cheap. For the price of lunch, you could be learning. It's not a hard read. It's not even that long either, but it's very concise, and it's very well put together where you're going to start understanding it. Read the book, watch my TAs, watch me go live, watch my videos, and you're going to learn. You're going to start learning to trade like I do. And if you start trading like me, you're going to make money. Straight up. You're going to make money. I'm in profits like crazy right now. It's not even funny. So anyways, guys, my name's Leland. Thanks for coming by. And remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
ha ha.